thought that I don't know. I don't know why he was mad at me.
In the early morning hours of August 2024, a family dispute nearly ended in murder.
After he threw the bottle, what happened then?
Sibling quarrels happen every day. A 28-year-old former drug addict took things a step too far. When police dug into the matter, they discovered that this wasn't his first time attacking a family member. But will he be able to claw his way out of trouble this time, or will he be forced to pay the price? On August 17, 2024, police were called to a residence in Burlington, Wisconsin, in response to a DV situation. A woman identified as Stacy reported that her brother, 28-year-old Nicholas Picardell, had thrown a bottle and hit her in the head.
Units responding, male. 3 units responding. It sounds like they're separated. Male is downstairs in his room. Female is upstairs. There is a door unlocked. There's a couple dogs in the residence. I think we're dealing with the Nicholas Picardell and possibly a AD. Unsure the last name. Rescue is on the air and they're going to be staging. I'll be 23 in about 30 seconds.
Can you put the dog somewhere? Come on, step out with me.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. They're not gonna bite. They're not gonna bite.
Are you sure?
Yes, they're completely fine.
Okay, go ahead and just step out here with me. Okay? Can we get the dogs inside?
Bernie, come on! Bernie, come on! Bernie, come on!
Bernie, come on! Bernie! Bernie!
Is he still downstairs?
Yeah.
I'm right here.
No, this is him.
Okay.
You're Nick?
Yeah.
Alright, man. Just give me a thing right now. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Male detained, send rescue.
You just come with me, okay? Okay. Stairs. Good walking through the grass?
I don't want to slip.
Yep. Try. Be careful.
Will you catch me if I fall?
I'll try. Alright, this car right here. Yep. We're just gonna have you sitting back. We're gonna talk about what happened.
Okay, not a problem.
Okay, so we have rescue coming in. Can I take a look at it?
I don't even know what they did to him.
Okay. And he's your brother, you said?
Yeah.
Is anybody else here?
Yeah, his She's cleaning up the blood right now.
Alright, let's take you out to rescue so then they don't have to worry about the dogs, okay?
I don't have any shoes.
Am I gonna get choked up on you?
Nope. Nope. So. Alright, Nicholas, right?
Yes.
What happened, man?
So my sister messaged me a couple hours ago saying how much I was a loser because I'm at work and because I'm not. Mama was there in the house, supposed to be. I'm a loser. I'm just she just kept egging me on, and when I threw the bottle, I did not mean to hit her in the head. It bounced off the door and it smoked her in the head.
Okay.
So, like, I do apologize about that, and I tried to apologize, but clearly it was too far gone.
Okay. So we're gonna talk with her.
Okay.
We're gonna kind of figure out what's going on.
Okay.
Right now, you're just gonna stay here.
Okay.
I'll stay with you. Okay.
Okay, not a problem.
So we're just gonna buckle you in, and then I'm gonna close the door.
Okay.
Been drinking tonight?
Nope.
No. Okay. Did you blow into a PBT just for me?
I have no reason to.
Okay. I get you, man. You know, arguments happen. It's just, you know, now someone's hurt and we gotta figure out what's going on. I get you. Well, so a lot of that's gonna depend on what she wants. And then we'll go from there, okay? So you guys live together though? How long you been living together for?
I've been off and on for
Okay. Gotcha. How long? When was the last? Or like, so you've been on and off here?
So I was a recovering drug addict for a while. You probably heard about it when I was 13 a couple years ago in Oakland. Pulled into the drive-through. It was like 7 o'clock in the afternoon. That was me. I learned from my mistakes. I went to rehab for it. I did all that.
Okay. That might have been a little bit before me, but
How old are you?
I've been a cop for 6 years, but I've only been with the sheriff's office for 3.
Right.
So,
A little bit before my time.
yeah, just a little bit. So, but you said you lived on here on and off. Like, how long has this recent stretch been?
Probably about since I got sober for about 3 years.
3 years? Okay.
Hey, so she's got a pretty good cut on her forehead, actually. So,
What's your name? Stacy. Did you get hit?
Yeah.
you want me to close the door or leave it open?
Go and take a seat right here.
86, we're good.
Once.
Yeah, with a full bottle of Coke.
Full bottle of Coke.
Yeah. Miles, what size are you?
So you-
medium.
You
So
said, no, you go ahead.
So you got hit with a full bottle of Coke? Did you get hit anywhere else?
No.
Was it a glass bottle?
No, it was a plastic bottle.
Okay.
I think.
Okay. What, you said he just got home, I believe?
Yeah.
Okay. And how long do you think he was home before he started throwing
He started yelling at me immediately because I asked him what time he was going to be home because I was watching it. And he got
Okay.
mad at me.
stuff? Okay. Was that, a text message you asked him what time he was going to get home?
Yeah.
And then he came home, and what happened from there?
And he told me to go downstairs, and I said I just wanted to make sure that screaming at me.
Okay. What was he say? What was he yelling at you for? Or like, what was he saying?
Goss and stuff.
Because he thought that I don't know. I don't know why he was mad at me. It's okay.
Okay.
It's,
How long do you think he was in the house before he threw the water bottle? 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3
I
minutes?
was recording him, and that pissed him off because he was screaming at me.
Okay.
It was literally like a minute or 2 minutes.
Okay. Once you're done with this, are you able to show me the video? Once you're done getting treated?
Yeah.
Okay. After he threw the bottle, what happened then?
I felt the blood start gushing out of my face, and I started screaming, and then he started saying, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Okay. Did he go downstairs immediately then?
Yeah, because I told him I was going to call the police, and he said, well, I'm going to jail then.
Okay.
He went and changed.
I'll let you guys do your stuff. I'm gonna go talk to my partner, okay?
While chatting amongst themselves, a woman, later identified as Nicholas's baby mama, comes out into the front yard. The officers appear to go back and forth with her for a few moments before she marches back into the house.
Do you have like an older sister or something?
Well, so
Who's the like babysitter or who was
that
that?
was my baby mom.
Oh, okay.
Girlfriend, baby mom. I feel like it's more important to do.
Yeah, that's fair. I get you. So rescue's checking out your sister right now just because of the head.
No, I get that. Like I said, I didn't need to come to this. I'll fuck that.
You go lightheaded, headache, anything right now?
You remember? Huh? You remember? Ma'am, what was your name?
Stacy?
Stacy, that's what it was. Sorry, I couldn't remember again. So, did you give him permission at all to throw the water bottle at your head? No?
No.
Okay. Did it... I have to phrase it a certain way. Did it cause you pain?
Physically?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I have to ask those questions. So, do you want to push the issue for battery? No? Okay. I just want to make you aware though, technically this is a domestic, even though you two are siblings. So, the state takes your position as far as pressing charges. So as of right now, we won't press the issue for domestic battery. That will be up to the district attorney's office to decide whether or not they want to push that. Okay? However, we still have, it's disorderly conduct for throwing that. You know, it's abusive and violent in nature. So in that regards, by Wisconsin state statute, we mandatorily have to arrest him tonight. Okay. I'll put that in a report that you don't want the battery charges, and the district attorney will be able to talk that over with you. Okay. Obviously, you guys are family, so you'll have some leeway with that if you want to talk to him at a later date. Okay. Any update, I guess, from medical staff?
Nope.
Is she gonna get released here?
Yep, she doesn't want to go get checked out. She doesn't
Okay.
have to.
Okay.
I mean, it's been a. Go ahead.
No. Have you seen the cut on your head?
No.
Okay, it's probably like half an inch. So it's going to be probably a little difficult to close. But that's, I mean, you might be able to get away with not having stitches or anything up there.
If you don't go and get stitches or anything, it'll basically just start to heal. You'll have a scar.
Will I be able to wear makeup?
Oh,
Yeah,
makeup will
it'll-
cover that.
no, it'll
No
be just
problem. Absolutely. I mean, tomorrow might be a little rough because it's going to be a little fresh, but it'll start to.
So when you go shower, I'd recommend taking this off when you're in the shower to get it wet. And then it might ooze a little bit more if you don't get stitches or anything, but just put another bandage on it in the morning.
I'm supposed to have a really good day at work tomorrow.
I mean, you probably can get by putting enough makeup over it. It's going to be tender tomorrow.
Yeah, not if it's going to be bleeding.
It's hard to.
It's hard to say what
If
it'll
it's
do.
going to keep bleeding,
Elements of battery are satisfied. Did without permission, causing pain,
And she wants to.
but she does not want to pursue that.
That's fine.
So, obviously, it'll just be going in my report though. So,
Okay.
so I already told her that he's going to be going then for DC.
Domestic.
So, she's going to get released here. So,
Cool.
I just got to grab her information.
All right. We'll just have to do the paperwork.
Yep. If you can just stand by and do that, we'll transfer him into my cuffs and my squad.
Well, you can keep my cuffs for now, so we're not over handling it. But
Okay.
yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
We still have to search him because I just threw him in the bag.
Okay. Sounds good.
hitting them handy.
Do we have him positively ID'd yet, or just first name? Okay.
I'll put that information first.
Yeah. Give me a. Yeah, I got it. Hold on. I'm just gonna run them out right away. How do you spell your last name?
P-I-C-A-R-D-E-L.
Ooh, I'm sorry. P-I-C-R.
A-R-D-E-L.
R-D-E-L. N-I-C-H-O-L-A-S?
Yes.
Middle initial?
R.
What's your date of birth?
11596.
Well, 115?
96.
Alright. In the state of Wisconsin, we don't have any discretion when it comes to domestic violence because you guys live together in a domestic partnership. It's considered domestic violence, so as of right now, you are going to be placed under arrest for that. And we're just going to move you to that car, okay?
586, you're
We're
standing.
going to move you up to that car over there. We're 10-4. Nicholas would be 95 for domestic. Anything on you, poke us, stick us, otherwise hurt us?
Vape in my pocket. And
Vape in your pocket, phone,
Okay.
and a
Once we
wallet.
get up to the hood of this car, go ahead and kind of like lean up against it. I'm just gonna search it real quick, okay? Is that a THC vape at all, sir?
No, that's just an extra. Then this pocket in my back.
Wallet's back pocket, yep.
That's, it's got a couple of picks in there, and then it's a metal one.
Okay. I just need to check to make sure there's nothing, no drugs or anything in here
No,
before we go into the jail.
No, you're good. I just know that sometimes the metal chips on things out.
Okay. Alright. Want to stand up a little bit more now, sir? Perfect.
You guys are good.
Okay, perfect. We walk this way. Yep, perfect.
Sorry, I wasn't trying to rush.
No, you're good. I
Just don't forget to
see
take a picture.
You got an actual pocket on your hoodie. That's what I was checking.
So, alright.
Yeah, if there's an injury, there's no discretion. You guys gotta do
Battery.
at least the battery.
Oh, we do? Okay.
There's no discretion on that.
While Stacy declined to press battery charges, Wisconsin statute section 968.075 requires police to arrest the primary aggressor if they have probable cause to believe that DV has occurred. There are a number of reasons why the responsibility to press charges is not in the victim's hands, but the primary one is that DV victims are particularly susceptible to intimidation, coercion, or manipulation because of their relationship to the suspect. More often than not, familial or romantic ties will prevent a victim from taking the appropriate legal action, meaning the suspect would never be held responsible.
I'll get to the paperwork once they release her.
She's done.
Oh, she's done? Awesome. And you guys are good to go. Let me see if I got a replacement for you real quick here, please. Alright, man. So he's going to go to the Walworth County Sheriff's Office jail. He's going to be arrested for disorderly conduct, domestic violence, because you guys live together, as well as battery. He's going to be held there until he can see a judge. Upon he'll have conditions on his release, more likely than not, he's not going to be able to stay there for a little while. So, this is the contact prohibition. The arrested person shall avoid my residence or any other residence temporarily occupied by me. The arrested person shall avoid contact or cause any person other than the party's attorney for the arrested person to contact me. During the 72 hours following the arrest, if he violates the contact prohibition, I understand that it is my responsibility to report any violations of the contact prohibition to the Walworth County Sheriff's Department. So if he comes back, if he decides to enforce this, or if a judge decides to say he can't come home, he comes back home or he makes contact with you, we're only going to know about it if you tell us about it. So, after reading this information and understanding what my rights are, I would like to A, waive the right to protection of the 72-hour contact prohibition, or B, have the 72-hour contact prohibition enforced. So if you decide to waive your rights to the 72-hour contact prohibition, that means as soon as he gets out, he's going to be able to come home, absent of whatever a judge orders him. Or you have the 72-hour contact prohibition enforced, which means after he's released from jail, after I've read this notice to you, if he tries to come home, talk to you, or make any sort of contact with you, outside of an attorney or us, that he would be arrested for violating that condition. So you'd like to waive your rights? Okay. So he's going to be held to see a judge, and I can almost say as a guarantee that the judge is going to give him conditions not to make contact with you until the court date. If you're worried about kids and stuff like that, I understand that the mother of his kids are here. She is A-okay to make contact with him. So if you need to do any mediating or something along those lines, I would use a third-party median where he can't make contact with you, but you can have people make contact on your behalf. I just need to take a real quick photo of your head and probably the bottle that he used to hit you with. And I will be out of your hair for hopefully the rest of the night. So I will...
Can I put makeup on first?
No, I'm sorry. I'll try to get you good side, I promise. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's get a photo of that bottle and then I'm out of here.
I'll just wrap it. Can I just bring it out?
I gotta see where it landed, I'm sorry. So I promise I'm friendly with dogs. I'll try not to wake that one.
She picked her up. Are we good?
You're good.
Thank you. Have a good night.
You too.
A look at Nicholas's criminal record showed that this wasn't his first incident of violence towards a family member. He was hit with a DV-related charge in January 2020, then another one the following September. As a result, he was transported to the Racine County Jail and booked for charges of felony simple battery with DA and felony disorderly conduct with DA. Unfortunately, there is no outcome to this case as Nicholas passed away just a few weeks later.